Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today we'll explore the top 6 most valuable UK coins in today's market. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, these coins are sure to pique your interest. Let's get started. First up, the UK 20 pence coin from 2012, but not just any 20 pence, we're talking about the elusive, very fine condition specimen, so grab your magnifying glass because we're about to uncover its secrets and unravel its value in today's market. First things first, let's understand what very fine condition means in the world of coin grading. When a coin is categorized as very fine, it indicates that it has seen minimal circulation, with only slight wear visible under magnification. This distinction is crucial as it significantly affects the coin's value. Now, let's talk numbers. In today's market, the value of a UK 20 pence coin from 2012 in very fine condition can vary depending on several factors. These include rarity, demand, and the overall condition of the coin. However, based on recent trends, such a coin can fetch anywhere from $36,000. But wait, there's more. What makes this particular coin even more intriguing is its potential for appreciation over time. As collectors continue to seek out rare and pristine specimens, the value of coins like the 2012 UK 20 pence in very fine condition could see a steady rise in the years to come. So if you happen to stumble upon one of these beauties in your collection, or while coin hunting, be sure to give it a closer look. Who knows, you might just be holding onto a valuable piece of numismatic history. Next up, explore the value of one of the most sought-after coins in the collector's market, the 1997 Fiji $1 coin with the large date variety in very fine condition. Released by the Reserve Bank of Fiji in 1997, this particular coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors due to its unique design and limited mintage. What sets this coin apart from the standard version is the size of the date, which appears significantly larger on the obverse side. While the standard version of the coin is relatively common, the large date variety is considered a rarity, making it highly sought after among collectors worldwide. Its scarcity combined with its historical significance contributes to its increasing value in today's collector market. Now, let's talk about the condition of the coin. In the world of numismatics, the condition of a coin plays a crucial role in determining its value. The grading scale ranges from poor to perfect, with very fine falling somewhere in the middle. A coin graded as very fine may show some wear and tear, but still retains much of its original detail and luster. When it comes to the 1997 Fiji $1 coin with the large date variety, finding one in very fine condition can be quite a challenge. However, for those lucky enough to come across one, the rewards can be substantial. In today's collector market, the value of this coin can vary depending on factors such as its condition, rarity, and current demand. While it's difficult to pinpoint an exact value, recent auctions and sales suggest that a 1997 Fiji $1 coin with the large date variety, in very fine condition, can command prices ranging from several hundred to several $1,000s. For serious collectors, owning such a rare and valuable piece of numismatic history is not just about its monetary worth but also about the thrill of the hunt and the pride of ownership. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, the allure of rare coins like the 1997 Fiji $1 large date variety is undeniable. Next up, the UK £1 1997 coin, renowned for its historical significance and notable value in the collector's market. I'm thrilled to guide you through the exploration of one of the most coveted coins in the UK numismatic landscape, the 1997 £1 coin. Known for its rarity and fine craftsmanship, this coin has captivated enthusiasts worldwide. The 1997 £1 coin holds a special place in British numismatic history. It was the first in a series of bimetallic coins introduced by the Royal Mint, featuring a distinctive design by renowned artist Ian Rank Broadley. This coin is a true masterpiece, boasting intricate engravings and a unique composition that sets it apart from its predecessors. Its obverse features the iconic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse showcases the Celtic cross design, symbolizing the four nations of the United Kingdom. The 1997 £1 coin is a must-have for any serious collector. Its limited mintage and historical significance make it a prized addition to any collection. I've been searching for this coin for years, and when I finally acquired it, it was like a dream come true. Its value only continues to appreciate over time now. let's address the burning question on every collector's mind: what is the current value of the 1997 £1 coin in today's market? Despite its initial face value of £1, the 1997 £1 coin has seen a significant increase in value in the collector's market. Its rarity, coupled with high demand from enthusiasts, has driven its price upwards over the years. In fine condition, the 1997 £1 coin can fetch anywhere from $57,500 in today's collector market. However, prices may vary depending on factors such as minting errors, scarcity, and overall condition. Whether you're a seasoned collector or a novice enthusiast, the allure of the 1997 £1 coin is undeniable. Its timeless beauty and historical significance continue to mesmerize collectors around the globe. Next up, unraveling the mystery behind the UK 5 new Pence 1969 coin in extra fine condition and its value in today's collector market. The UK 5 new Pence 1969 coin holds a special place in the hearts of collectors due to its historical significance and scarcity. Minted in the United Kingdom over 5 decades ago, this coin boasts intricate design elements and craftsmanship that truly stand the test of time. In extra fine condition, this coin is a gem to behold. Its sharp details, lustrous surface, and minimal signs of wear make it a coveted item among collectors worldwide. But just how valuable is this numismatic treasure in today's collector market? Let's find out. After conducting extensive research and consulting with experts in the field, we've discovered that the value of a UK 5 new Pence 1969 coin in extra fine condition can vary greatly depending on several factors. Factors such as rarity, demand, historical significance, and overall condition play a crucial role in determining the coin's value. Additionally, fluctuations in the collector market and current economic conditions can also influence its price. Drumroll please. Based on our findings, a UK 5 new Pence 1969 coin in extra fine condition can fetch anywhere from $200,000 in today's collector market. That's right, folks. If you're lucky enough to own one of these beauties in pristine condition, you could be sitting on a valuable piece of history worth a pretty penny. Next up, the UK 10 pence coin from 1992. But not just any 1992 coin, we're talking about the most valuable ones in fine condition. This tiny piece of history may not look like much, but believe me, it's worth its weight in gold. Or maybe even more. The 1992 UK 10 pence coin is a real treasure for collectors, especially if it's in fine condition. But what makes it so valuable? First off, let's talk rarity. The 1992 10 pence coin had a relatively low mintage compared to other years, making it inherently more valuable. But that's not all. In fine condition, meaning little to no wear and tear, this coin becomes even more sought after. Inspecting the condition of a coin is crucial for determining its value. Even the tiniest scratch or imperfection can significantly affect its worth in the collector's market. So what's the value of a fine condition 1992 UK 10 pence coin today? Drumroll, please. In today's collector market, a 1992 UK 10 pence coin in fine condition can fetch anywhere from $26,000 depending on its quality and other factors. But remember, these values can fluctuate based on demand and other market trends. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, keeping an eye out for rare coins like this one can be both exciting and rewarding. So next time you come across a 1992 UK 10 pence coin, take a closer look. It might just be your ticket to a valuable addition to your collection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things coin collecting. Until next time, happy collecting.